People don't watch activities, they watch personalities. Now that points down to the first thing that we pointed out, you being the creator and the creator being the content. That is what he means by in this video. I'm going to be walking you through what IShowSpeed wished he knew when he was a small creator and the advice he has for you. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome to Build a Life on YouTube with Zeno the Great. This is a series where we take you through all the big creators' idea of content creation and advice they have for you and what they wish they knew and how you can apply this on your own video. And today we have one of the most energetic creator I've known of all time, IShowSpeed. For those who doesn't know who IShowSpeed is a streamer, a YouTuber. IShowSpeed is known for high energy live content. He builds his audience through gaming, reaction, IRL stream, turn his personality into the main attraction rather than relying on a specific niche. So if you want to be the content of your channel, then you might actually want to sit around, grab your notes. First of all, let's take you through IShowSpeed's philosophy of content creation. The first philosophy of IShowSpeed on content creation is the creator is the content. So IShowSpeed believes that the audience are there for you, the creator, for the topic that you are covering. He believes that the creator is the content, and personality should be more memorable than the game, challenge, or event. That is why he tried to create those expressions, the shouting, the screaming, and all those things that will help you build a personality around his content. You know that, okay, this is IShowSpeed, this is him, this is his energy. So you're coming there for energy, you're coming there. There is no dull moment around IShowSpeed and his content. Speed can stream almost anything. Football, games, travel, reaction, meeting celebrities, and viewers still watch it. Just like you all know, IShowSpeed is one of the biggest Cristiano Ronaldo fans of all time you can meet. He's so crazy about Cristiano Ronaldo. So, and whenever he streams, visits or meets Ronaldo or any other celebrities, you feel the energy, you feel the vibe. Whenever you're watching IShowSpeed streams or his content, there is always energy, there is always vibe, there is always that good. He turns any environment, anything that he's streaming, he turns it as a content, he turns it into something that is relatable, something that is streamable, something that is engaging, something that is enjoyable. Just normal walking on the street and he'll be streaming. The kind of vibe and energy he'll put into it, you won't even believe that that is just walking on the street, shopping or anything. But he can stream anywhere and he can add so much vibe and energy to it, making it more engaging and entertaining for his viewers. Another thing is emotion is more valuable than information. So Speed believes that emotion is more valuable than information, which means that people remember how a video make them feel. That's why he adds so much energy, the screaming, the shouting, the laughter, everything to create that emotion for his viewers so that they will always remember, yeah, when I watched IShowSpeed video, I was so pumped up, I was so happy, I was so entertained, and all excitement, shock, laughter, confusion, and all those stuff. Okay, another of his philosophy is that unpredictability creates attention. You don't know what is about to happen. So Speed believes that viewers should never fully know what happens next. Surprise is one of the strongest forms of entertainment. So streams frequently moves in unexpected directions. A normal interaction can suddenly become a challenge. So if you watch some of IShowSpeed streams, a normal interaction with a person on the street or with anyone on the street can just become a challenge of running or jumping or backflip or any kind of challenge, and he's ready for it. Just bring it on. Speed is ready to do anything as a challenge. Okay, and it can be a joke, it can be a public viral clip or anything. So that is another thing, what we mean by unpredictability creates attention. Then another of his philosophy is real reaction beats polished performance. Authentic emotional response are more engaging than carefully scripted behavior. To Speed, that is why every single time you will see let's go, you will see all this energy, yo, and all this stuff. So that is IShowSpeed for you. He believes that many of his biggest moments come from genuine response happening in real time. That is why he believes in streaming real time, so that he can create those real moments that are happening, because streams are not like edited videos. There is nothing scripted, you can't edit anything. It's happening in real time. So those emotions and those expression that he's showing there is happening is unscripted and is happening, can increase viewer engagement. Another thing that Speed believes is that every moment should feel like something could happen. So because it's streams, so Speed believes that even ordinary situations should feel like they might turn into chaos. So you don't know what to expect. Something could just happen. Something chaotic can just happen. Okay, whether walking through a city or playing a game, he constantly searched for interactions and conversations and opportunities to create moments. And he also believes that big experiences create big content. That is why the bigger the event, the challenge, the trip, the bigger the audience interest. Okay, international travels, football events, celebrity encounters, public appearance, and large-scale challenges repeatedly appear in his content. And this is what he means by big experience creates big content. Personal quotes from IShowSpeed that we have here is, people don't watch activities, they watch personalities. Now that points down to the first thing that we pointed out, you being the creator and the creator being the content. That is what he means by people don't watch activities, they watch personalities. He says energy is a competitive advantage. That is why he shows that energy. The more energy he can show, he believes that is the more opportunity he has to be able to retain his audience and carry them along. If viewers know exactly what's coming, you've already lost attention, or you've already lost some attention. So you need to make sure that there is always curiosity. That is why when you're watching Speed video, you don't know what could happen next. There could be an encounter, there could be a challenge, there could be anything can just happen. So he tries to keep his audience in that curiosity loop. You don't know what's going to happen. So as a creator and as a small creator, you can learn from these things. Okay, the internet rewards memorable moments more than perfect content. That is why so many things goes viral. That is why maybe just an encounter with one of his fans at a supermarket or at a mall can just pick out and go viral, and people will just be clipping it all around and stuff. That is why he creates those moments. Being genuinely excited is more powerful than trying to look cool. Speed is always excited. The kind of excitement that guy shows in any of his videos, I have not seen any creator that is excited like that. He's always super excited for anything. We always hear, let's go, he was here years and all those stuff. His energy is unmatched. So if you're creating his type of content, if you want to go into streaming, or you want to be kind of someone or creator that want to build your content around yourself and your personality, then you need to learn some of these things from Speed. At least energy, content, curiosity, and all those stuff. A little breakdown of the things that Speed could do if he was to start from zero today. The first thing is he would focus on becoming memorable before becoming professional. He would exaggerate his enthusiasm rather than trying to appear perfectly polished. He would create situations where unexpected things can happen. He would treat every recording section as an opportunity to find one viral moment. He would show stronger emotional reaction instead of hiding them. He would prioritize audience entertainment over looking smart. He would put himself at the center of the content instead of relying on the topic. He would constantly place himself in new environments, communities, and experience. He would make ordinary events feel larger than life through energy and storytelling. He would ask, what is the most exciting version of this idea before pressing record? So the core idea behind IShowSpeed and all he does is that people don't come to watch the activity, they come to experience your energy. So that is his core idea and his core motto and theme. That is it for IShowSpeed's episode of his content idea. If you have been here with us till now, we love and appreciate you, and this is just another episode of Build a Life on YouTube with Zino the Great. And today we just uncovered IShowSpeed idea of content creation and what he wish he knew as a small creator, and what you as a small creator can apply and learn from his content idea, and what you can do right now. I hope you learned something from some of this advice and some of these things that we put together through the research. if you want to learn more things and if you want to support this series, all you can do is just like this video and subscribe to the channel, Zino the Great, and I will be dropping another powerful creators content idea very soon, and you don't want to miss that because you also have a whole lot of things to learn. And remember, all these creators has different niches, they're covering different ideas, different content style. That is why you need to learn from them, because you might never know the one that is covering your own content idea and niche. So watching the next video might be the person covering your niche, and you might want to learn something important from him or her. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I love you, and I hope to see you in the next episode of Build a Life on YouTube with Zeno the Great, and God bless.